Hey guys, so today's video is going to be a collaboration, an anti-Valentine's Day collaboration with a bunch of people, and this idea was thought of from Sarah Olsen, and I'll have her channel down below, and I'll have the playlist of everyone's videos down below so you can go ahead and check out their anti-Valentine's Day look. And yeah, I just had so much fun creating this look. It was so much fun. Even though, you know, I'm married, I have a Valentine, it's so much fun to experiment with makeup and just play with makeup, and that's what I love doing. This is like amazing. It's so much fun. Before I get into this video, I would love for you to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And yeah, let's get into this tutorial. Okay, so my brows are already done and my lids are already primed, and I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyes first because I'm gonna be using the Tati Beauty palette, and this has a lot of fallout, so I have to do my eyes first. I'm going for like a really vampy, smoky situation. I kind of have an idea of what I want to do. I'm gonna definitely do some drawing because that's just me. I'm super extra and that's just the way I go, so kind of have an idea, but I think I'm kind of also winging this, so yeah. I think I'm gonna start with the matte black and really carefully stamp it on my lid with a fluffy brush first, and I'll pack on the color and then blend it a little bit into the crease. Then I'll go in with the crease shade because it's gonna be a little bit crazy. Okay, so the perfect brush to do that with, this is the Time LA 205 brush, and I really like this brush because it's like really dense, but at the same time it's fluffy, if that makes sense. I don't know, but I'm gonna take that matte black and see how it goes. So this is super pigmented, but I know I'm gonna go over top of this with glitter, so it's not gonna just be like the matte black, you know? Curse my hooded eyes, it's so hard to get this. Okay, so now that that's done, the next shade I'm gonna take is this one. So this is like the mauve shade, and I'm gonna pack it on in the crease before I go ahead and blend it out. And I'm gonna use a Morphe E36 brush, I think. It's a very like small, dense brush. It's a good for packing in the crease for sure. And now I'm just gonna take a Morphe M562 brush to like take a little bit more product and just blend it out. Blend out the edges. Just gonna blend a little bit more of the black into the crease so that it doesn't look so strange and there's like not a separation. And just blend it. So adding color, blending it, that's basically what we do here. Okay, so now I'm gonna take a glitter, and I'm like torn between this and this, but I think I'm gonna go with like the actual glitter shade, and I'm just gonna take it on my finger and just put it over top the black. A little nervous. Hopefully this turns out the way I'm envisioning in my head. It is. It's perfect. Maybe I should have taken some glitter glue. I'm wondering now. Oops. Oh, it's gorgeous. I love that glitter. I've been dying to use that glitter for the longest. I'm just gonna take a brush and just get the areas I can't really get with my finger. This is so stunning. This is exactly what I wanted. I'm so happy. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and do my foundation. For foundation, I've been loving the Dose of Colors foundation and concealer, both of them together, using the sponge. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. Literally my holy grail combo. So I'm gonna go ahead and speed through this because this is not the fun part, you know. Oh yeah, but I have to prime, duh. So I'm gonna prime using the Tatcha Salt Canvas, which is my favorite. And I'm almost out, but I already have a backup. That's how much I love it, right? Anyway. Now I'm gonna go ahead and bake under the eyes using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r setting powder. I'm gonna leave it baking while I do my under eye as well, so yeah. For the lower lash line, I'm gonna first go in with the black, the matte black, and just put that really close to my lower lash line. And yeah, there's a lot of fallout with this, so I'm glad I kept the bake. And then I'm gonna take the other shade that I took in my crease, the Poet Matte shade, and just kind of smoke it out under. Alright, let's take away the bake and hope and pray that it doesn't stay stained, which it kind of is. Oh no. That's what sucks about this palette. There's so much fallout. It's ridiculous. And especially using black, it's hard. So now I have like a little stain. Let's move on to the face makeup, and I'm gonna go ahead and bronze or contour, same thing, my face using the Thrive Causemetics Rhea bronzer, which is one of my favorites, and yeah, just contour like normal. For blush, I'm gonna be taking the, what is this? The Burts Toasted Cinnamon Blush. This is like a really nice bronzy type blush, which I think goes really well with the smoky eye we have going. And yes, I'm going in really heavy with the blush, more than I normally would, obviously, because we're trying to be dramatic here. For highlighter, I'm taking the Laura Geller. This is the Champagne Pink highlighter. I feel like I need to tie in a pink highlight with this look for sure. Oh, you know what? Let me set my face before I do that, because my highlighter tends to pop a little bit more when I do that. Okay, I'm gonna quickly do my lips before I do the drawing, just to get it out of the way. And I'm going to line my lips with the MAC lip pencil in the shade Currant? I don't know. But this is like a dark purple. And then I'm gonna go in with a red lip after this. So it's gonna be like this ombre effect situation. And I love it. It's crazy how this lip liner matches the eyes so well. I'm gonna take a little bit of the Fenty Beauty, what is this? Uncensored liquid lip. This is like the brightest red I know and the best red I know, to be honest. I just feel like a Valentine's Day / anti-Valentine's Day look needs to have red. Let me go back in with the the lip liner, and make it more ombre. Okay, kind of obsessed with how this turned out. Okay, so I decided instead of drawing tears, I'm gonna take this first Poet, the matte Poet shade right here, and just draw like the streams coming down, like so. I just kind of want to see how this Poet shade looks, like the one with a little bit of shimmer. Yep, I'm doing it. I love this shade so much. It has like some blue specks. It's gorgeous. Okay, I decided to freehand everything. So let's just do it, right? I'm gonna draw normal hearts in pink, and then I'll do some broken hearts in black. I'm gonna take some black paint now. I don't have any like pink paint, so I used a pigment, not a pigment, one of the P. Louise bases, and oh my gosh, I love it, but like I had to mix a few colors to get the right color. But yeah, now I'm just gonna use the Mehon black paint to create the broken hearts, and I'm gonna freehand this, which is scary because if I can't draw a normal heart, imagine. But you know, I can draw a scorpion. I can draw plenty of other things, but I can't draw a freaking broken heart. Oh, I have to clean my paintbrush, duh. My battery died and I kind of forgot to change the battery. It's my spare battery, so I'm sorry. Okay, so I'm done, and now all I have to do is put on lashes. So let me go do that. I'm gonna choose my most bougie lashes because why not, right? So these lashes are from Nubansum, and you can use my code. I'll leave it right here. I don't remember it off the top of my head right now. And they're so pretty and so bougie and perfect for this look. Oh my gosh. But I'm gonna take the ColourPop Left on Red mascara. So this is like a red mascara for my lower lash line, just to tie in some red with this look. It's gonna be super subtle anyway. And I'm gonna just put some black on my waterline. And of course, I'm gonna do the inner corner with this shade right here. That's my go-to for this palette. It's so pretty. So So that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I had so much fun creating this look. Don't forget to check out all the other videos. It'll be linked in a playlist down below. I try to link as many channels as I can, but it's kind of like we're in this group chat. We're like, oh, do you want to do this collab? Do you want to do that collab? And not everyone joins on every single collab. So just make sure you click on the playlist and you can go ahead and watch everyone's anti-Valentine's Day look. And yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And I'll hope you consider subscribing before you leave. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.